I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut PC and making a new project. Set project resolution to match your source. Next, import the video and any images, then drag the main clip to the timeline so editing begins at 0, 0, 0. Once done, add an overlay layer. Click Overlay, choose Add Overlay, and place it above your base clip. This overlay will hold the transparent text, so you can adjust opacity and blend modes without altering the original footage. Now you add the text element on that overlay layer. Click Text, choose Add Text, and type exactly what you want. Adjust font, size, and alignment so the composition reads clearly. To make the text transparent, set fill to 0% or switch the layer's blend mode to a masking option like mask or subtract. This cuts through to the layer beneath. Also tweak position, scale, and rotation, and if you want a reveal, keyframe opacity so the transparent text animates smoothly. Finish by previewing the sequence and refining edges. Add a subtle feather or a thin stroke to avoid harsh cutouts and make sure motion looks natural. When satisfied, open Export, pick Resolution and Format, and if you need the transparent areas preserved, choose a codec that supports Alpha and enable Export with Alpha. Once exported, play the file in a compatible player to confirm transparency. If it fails, double-check the text layer blend mode and that your chosen codec actually includes an alpha channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.